you know that there are actually not 2 orangutan species, but 3 orangutan species. When you look at the animals, if you look at the fur, they seem to be slightly different, but that probably would not be enough to call them a novel species. So there are significant differences in the skull morphology and in the dental morphology of these orangutans. When we brought together the genomic evidence and the morphological evidence, it became clear that the orangutans from Batang Toru, from this isolated population, constitute a new great ape species. Some very complex modeling based on whole genome data showed that there are actually 3 independent evolutionary lines. The new species is called Pongo tapanuliensis. It occurs at the southern tip, where orangutans live in Sumatra, in a place called Batang Toru. It's a small isolated population of only about 800 individuals. Orangutans came to what's now Sumatra from mainland Asia, and the Batang Toru population, or the new species, Pongo tapanuliensis, they are direct descendants of the first orangutans that settled in this area. The new species occurs in a special habitat. It's a highland habitat. It's quite isolated, very hard to get to as a researcher. It's dense rainforest canopy, but it's unusual because lots of orangutans in Sumatra occur in swamp forest. The Tapanuli orangutan does not occur in a swamp. It's a mountainous, rugged area, and it's very hard for researchers actually to go and study these individuals. There were reports of this population in the 1930s, but then it kind of got forgotten, and it was only rediscovered in 1997. We also have to keep in mind there's only 800 individuals left of these orangutans.